Guess who made the first ever party card game based on NFT and Web3 culture? This guy. Without further ado, let's go into the main 3 points I want to talk about. 1. This is not an NFT blockchain game. This is a physical, in real life, like, card game based on NFTs and Web3 culture, okay? This is not a blockchain game. It's a physical game. 2. All the NFTs inside the game, the physical game, all the NFT cards are real NFTs. None of them are just created for the purpose of the game. They're all real NFTs. It's either CC0, I own the rights to them, or I have partnered with the brands to get the rights in the game. You can get every single one of the NFTs on OpenSea or some kind of NFT trading platform. Last but not least, there will both be an NFT fundraiser and a Kickstarter fundraiser, so both Web3 and Web2 can buy, invest, and enjoy the game physically at the early release stages. I do need to say this early on, if you own a Tinkertot, you get the game before anyone else. You already have a free copy of the game whenever the game comes out by owning a Tinkertot. If you want to mint one, go to tinkertots.com down below, or go to the link in the description if you want to click on the link instead. Without further ado, let's talk about NFT mint or bust. NFT mint or bust is just like Exploding Kittens or Uno, except with NFT Web3 culture. The game consists of players buying and selling NFTs after the mint phases, using market cards to exploit and manipulate the market to either go up or down in value depending on if they minted one or not. And the game ends once everyone's flipped an NFT card. The winner is whoever has the most crypto by the time the last NFT card is flipped. The game is fairly simple, definitely not as easy as Uno, but definitely not harder than anything like Blackjack. This game's awesome because if your family and friends don't exactly understand what you do whenever you buy and sell NFTs, this game at least lets them try to understand while you try to teach them in a fun, entertaining, and dominating way. In this game, there are various cards such as HODL and Bull Run. You can help your friends and family understand what these terms mean because the use of the card is equivalent to the term in the Web3 culture. There are a variety of NFT projects who have already partnered with us on this, such as the High Indians, Snowly Dogs, and more. If your brand wants to get involved with this, it's free advertising to anyone who wants to be part of this. I just need the NFT rights to whatever NFT gets inside of the game. If you want to guarantee that you get one before anyone else, make sure you go down, buy a Tinkertot in the link in the description, or just go to tinkertots.com, mint yourself a Tinkertot for 0.03 ETH, which is right now only less than like $45. Comes with a variety of perks, but the best perk right now is that you get a copy of this game before anyone else. If you have any questions about the game, make sure to comment them below or go to the Discord in the link in the description. Hit me up inside the mint or bust section of the Discord. If you want to learn more, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like. Share to someone else that might be interested in a Web3 card-based NFT game. Thank you, have a great day, God bless, and watch this video right here to learn more about the Game of Thrones NFT collection that just got announced.